Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by learning how heat and oil interact with stainless steel. Preheat the empty pan over medium-high until a water drop beads and skates. That tells you the metal's pores have contracted. Once done, add 1/2 to 1 tablespoon oil and let it flow to coat the surface. Wait for a shimmer or thin smoke. Make sure your food is dry and near room temperature so it forms an immediate sear instead of sticking. You now control the middle of the cook, timing and heat. Place ingredients only after the oil shimmers and give each piece space. Crowding drops pan temperature and causes sticking. Resist the urge to flip. Proteins and seared veg will release naturally when a proper crust forms, which is why you wait. Make small heat adjustments between medium and medium-high to maintain sizzle without burning, and use tongs or a spatula to test. You finish by creating flavor and solving problems. Once seared, finish thicker items in the oven or lower the heat and add butter for a quick baste. Rest proteins 3 to 5 minutes before slicing so juices redistribute. To capture flavor, deglaze with wine, stock, or water and scrape up the fond to make a pan sauce. If something is stuck, don't force it. Add a splash of liquid, let it simmer briefly to loosen, then slide a spatula underneath.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.